Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like every other day that I start a vlog I'm in a rush going somewhere, but it's Sunday and we very spontaneously decided to go to IKEA just in case the things about buying the house do move along quicker than we hope, and we need to, you know, place orders and do some things. So we decided to go to IKEA and see especially the kitchen area, the bathroom, vanity unit, yeah, and all that stuff. So yeah, we decided to go. We are probably about to lose the train and my partner is already stressed at me, so yeah, see you there. Okay, I want to see the bathroom vanity units. So this one. So the one that my sister sent us was concrete. Obviously you can choose a smaller, but this type of wooden thingies inside, which I kind of like, but the one she sent, obviously because we only have 70 centimeters, she's way smaller. And then I don't know if you want, do you want something like this? Or do you want the sink, that's part of it? You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face, and as time goes by. Love that. I feel like it's too plain for us. Oh yeah, this is the drawer for the sink that I was looking at as well, with the bottom drawer in the space to have taller bins that still fit the pipework under the sink. Yeah, and I selected, I think it's just one on the side of the hob, on the left side, one of these for the spices and the oil and the vinegar. Such a shame that you can't open them to see inside, because I feel like this was the oven that we were looking at. For the hob I would like to have gas, to be honest, because we already have gas installed, so yeah, as an Italian I prefer gas. I like it. I feel like it's more simple. Yeah, I actually like it. Yeah, storage underneath for the pans. This type of cabinets I like, but I feel like they look too plain for our kitchen, because I feel like our kitchen is very simple. It's just a small room and there is no place in the wall to put anything nice, and even the tile space is very tiny. So I wanted to avoid doing something simple like this and get something with a little bit more character, and then, I don't know, maybe in the next house go modern. This is the sink countertop of that vanity unit I was talking about earlier. So obviously this is a different bottom, but that's the sink that I saw online, which I actually really like. This is also really cute. Very funky. Love this table. I don't know if I want to move away from a glass coffee table, because we have the same one but on a square shape. They're not very comfortable to put your feet on, but I know that technically you're not meant to put your feet on the coffee table. shades of these. So this I think is the darker one, if I'm not wrong. But this is the countertop pattern and the veneer material that I would like to get on a slightly lighter color, not as red. I don't know if the camera, I don't think the camera picks it up as red. Slightly lighter, but still quite dark, not as light as the first one. Obviously, yeah, look at that. I love that sink. Love it. Thanks. Yeah. We were debating about integrated fridge so that the kitchen looks all uniform, obviously white, or get a freestanding fridge which is meant to be deeper than this, but I feel like this is still quite big, yeah. I don't need as much space for the freezer, so this I think is like a 60-40 or maybe like a 70-30 split between the freezer and the fridge. I don't know. It's quite sleek. I don't know if I like that random line, but I don't know. Maybe for the uniformity of the kitchen, it's better than having a freestanding fridge. And then when we sell the house, we can get the fridge that we want. I don't know. Can't wait to put the garden all nice and cozy and have some outside furniture and have some barbecues and just enjoy the life outside. Yeah, that's the cluster coffee table that we have. This is the other option, although I think I'm gonna sway for something not quite as dark, where you have the wood at the top and the black rims, but not that one, just a bit more, I don't know, substantious. This one is the only one that I kind of like. My grandma, she had something very similar, a little bit more rectangular, supposed to square like this, and she put all the seashells that she collected throughout the 50 years that she's been with my grandpa, from all the countries like Africa, Morocco, well that's in Africa, Asia, wherever they've been, and then underneath she would roll up all the blankets and all the throws that they have, and they will be like in the middle there, all rolled up, aligned nicely. And it was a really cute piece that sort of made the place a little bit more character, but without being too cluttered. So definitely like something like this, but maybe not white. I still would like to get some wood colors in. To have is this, but in real wood with the wood bit and wood color legs, but that can be then expanded into a longer table. And then the other struggle is to find some chairs that match. I did try my best to find some online, but they were very, very expensive. This without the brick or the tile, sorry, but this I think is called enclosure, fire enclosure, is what I would like to get in white. I think it's so pretty. So basically in the lounge we have a plain wall, and we're planning to construct ourselves with a fake chimney with some wood stuff and then plaster it, and then put there the TV, get a electric fireplace to put there, and then some insert like that in white. I think it's cute. And then on the side I would like to have some wooden floating shelves, and then an integrated cabinet both sides, in white, the same color as the wall, to sort of get some storage, but yeah, make it sleek. I don't like those tiles, but this is the effect I am trying to recreate, and I do like the dark handles, even though not that style. I hope that the light is making it more yellow than what it actually is, but this is the countertop I liked with the stacked, sorry, not stacked, I think it's Subway style, I can't remember, whatever. The bits that are not all together like that and in veneer. But yeah, this is the countertop that I like. Okay, so we finally found the cabinets that I selected into the kitchen planner, and these are it. Very simple. I feel like they're more like timeless than the other ones. So yeah, I still think I want the black handles, but this is how it would look like on the outside with the silver oven, and then I think the silver top. This feels a bit cheap, but yeah, something like that. Definitely not those tiles. And then the integrated fridge, like this one, which is I think quite big, and with storage at the top. And I also selected those trims, I think they're called, I don't know. And as well, I did select this with the lights to come underneath it, that when you light it, it will have some light underneath, light on the hob, and then obviously light from the ceiling. And yeah, different countertop, but I like it. Is definitely something I want, the mask chopping board that you put on your countertop, and it's basically kinda like a staple, like you put it there and you don't really move it or put it in storage or anything. And we did have one in Italy. My grandma has one for baking pizzas and stuff like that, so I definitely want to get one for sure. So, oh my goodness, why didn't we get it before I finished my degree and started working from home? This is so comfortable. I totally see myself working hours and hours on this chair. Okay, now, what the heck? If anyone is working, starting from home, doing anything, sat down for hours, this is the chair. 100% recommend it. I'm gonna buy one, or two, or three. I don't think that anything will feel as comfortable as that chair ever again. I've sort of like ruined it from now on, because it's incredible, it's so weird, and it's not even that expensive, so. Okay, this is the other option that I want to buy for the vanity unit. Not this top, because I don't quite like the edge at the back, and this is the 80 centimeters one, so this is the big one. But this is the unit that I would like to buy in the 67 centimeters, with the drawers and this gray in the bathroom, and then we'll have a funky tile, and then big slabs of gray tiles, very light gray, almost white tiles along the walls. And this here with that, well, not that, we have an integrated mirror, but you know what I mean.
Life is is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
No, but the only problem, because I do like this, and I did save it, but I feel like because I want to do that wall thingy on the wall, the paneling, I don't know if a see-through headboard like this one will make it more cluttered. Yeah, it will make it messy. I do like that chest of drawer though.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high,
we made it!
Wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know,
This I think is the one I saw for the lounge, or this one with wool.
He would destroy that.
This one either on the bedroom or in the lounge. Nice and big. And then the next one, either like one in the bedroom, one in the lounge, something like that. Do you like that? With wool? So nice.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Oh my god, this is never ending. How do we get out?
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Hello everyone, it's the day after. I spent all of the yesterday afternoon, well, evening, editing this vlog and making sure that everything is ready for today to publish it. But yeah, I actually quite enjoyed the day. I thought it was super fun. Now that I finished editing, I think that our, not style, but what our inspo is and what we would like to do was pretty clear, or came across, I think, pretty clear. But most importantly, I hope that the vlog was entertaining and interesting and that you like coming to IKEA with us. But yeah, if you have any comments, any preferences, suggestions or anything, obviously do let us know, because we haven't started anything yet because the whole house buying process is not even finished yet. We don't have the keys and obviously we haven't started anything at all. So this is the time for brainstorming, for getting feedback and comments and little ideas that perhaps we can incorporate in this process. And as well, I think that obviously the Pinterest and mood boards can go so far. I mean, the reality of the thing is that most probably it won't look like that 100%, or at least it won't look like that straight away. But yeah, this is what we would like to do, and this is what we are hoping to achieve, but then we will see whether or not we'll be able to. But yeah, I really hope you like this vlog, a little bit different. I can't wait to actually go to buy things and yeah, actually do stuff with you and document it and bring you along in the whole process of renovating the house and empty house tours and whatever we end up doing. But yeah, really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and as well don't forget to turn your notifications on, and hopefully I will see you next time.